Welcome to Future Genetics News, February 2012. Immigration Paternity DNA Tests. Bringing families together. Reuniting families that are separated by country borders can be challenging. DNA testing can play a role where there is a need to demonstrate a biological relationship between family members in the UK or USA who wish to secure entry of their relative into the country. It is important to note that DNA testing is not a compulsory component of a visa application or immigration. However, there is a possibility a biological relationship may be challenged by the immigration authorities. For example, a US or UK authority may challenge the authenticity of birth and marriage certificates on the basis that the records, processes and systems in other countries, for whatever reason, may be unreliable, e.g. Pakistan. In such circumstances, it may be prudent to provide legally admissible DNA test results that prove a biological relationship such as paternity or siblingship in the UK. Situations also arise where formal identification documents such as birth certificates and passports may not be easily available, such as rural regions of Afghanistan. This is widely accepted, and an Afghanistan Research and Evaluation Unit AREU in 2006 representative stated that birth certificates are rare. In such cases, there is a reliance on a legal DNA test to prove the biological relationship between the individual living in the UK or USA and the person looking to gain entrance to the country. The UK Border Control Agency, who decides on matters of immigration, cannot insist that a DNA test is carried out, and the refusal by the applicant to carry out a DNA test cannot by itself form the grounds for refusing an application. This said, the authority makes a note that the DNA test has been declined and also records the reason for declining, if any are given, by the applicant. Therefore, although the UK agency are unable to refuse an application on the grounds of an absent DNA test result, the missing results can still contribute to the reasons for refusal by the immigration authority. In the USA, immigration DNA tests need to be carried out by companies who are using laboratories that are American Association of Blood Banks AABB accredited. Please refer to our recent report that explains the importance of accreditation. These DNA testing companies required authorization for the United States Immigration and Naturalization Service (INS) and the Department of Health and Human Services. However, the process has now changed, where the INS has been integrated into the Department of Homeland Security, and the Bureau of Citizenship and Immigration Services (CIS) is concerned with the citizenship program and processing visa applications. In the UK, the acceptance criteria has measures where the Immigration Authority, the UK Border Agency, will only accept DNA test results from DNA companies that are associated with laboratories that are both AABB accredited and also accredited by the UK Ministry of Justice, the MOJ. Immigration DNA tests are privately carried out to speed up and support the application for immigration into the UK and USA. Given that immigration DNA tests hold legal power to provide admissible evidence of a biological relationship, it circumvents challenges and potential delays in the immigration process. It is generally advised that as part of an immigration application, it is worthwhile to carry out an immigration DNA test, as the legally admissible result would invariably lend support to the application. In addition to immigration paternity tests, there are a number of immigration DNA tests, including those that can confirm paternity so a child can be reunited with their father. Other immigration tests are listed below. Aunts and uncles. DNA tests, an aunt and uncle immigration test to confirm a relationship with nieces or nephews. Grandparents. Immigration grandparents' DNA tests are able to confirm the biological relationship with grandchildren. Male relatives, example, cousins or brothers. The legal extended family DNA test, the paternal side, DNA test is used in immigration cases to legally provide evidence that the two tested males share a common paternal heritage. Female relatives, for example, cousins or sisters. The legal extended family DNA test, the maternal side DNA test, is used in immigration cases to demonstrate where two females share the same maternal line. Brothers and sisters. These DNA tests provide conclusive proof whether the two tested persons are full or half siblings, or alternatively are not siblings. Please feel free to contact Future Genetics should you have any further questions.
About Future Genetics. Future Genetics are true leaders in DNA analysis and DNA testing. They empower the individual as well as families. The board of directors are all true expert scientists. We provide accurate and reliable DNA tests. Our DNA tests are private and confidential. Our testing laboratories are accredited by the UK Ministry of Justice, and the results are accepted by the UK Law Courts and Home Office. Next steps. Please rate this video and leave a comment. Subscribe and become a friend at the Future Genetics YouTube channel and receive alerts for news bulletins before anyone else. Please visit the Future Genetics website to read more on DNA testing. Follow us on Twitter, join us at Facebook.